So in this video, we're going to be replacing the brake light switch on this vehicle. 99% of the vehicles will have the same kind of switch as this. Basically what you're looking at is this guy right here, and it's going to have some kind of threaded piece that goes here. Then that right there is the back end of a brake pedal that depresses the switch, and on the other side there'll be a plug. Now it's fairly simple to do. All you need to do is loosen this nut that I don't know, you kind of can't really see it right there. I wish I had a better angle, but there's a nut right there, a little jam nut. And then unplug this, unthread the switch from this guy, from its bracket, and then replace it. So go ahead and get to it. Now in this car, this is a 14mm nut, and I'm just barely loosening it. That way, when the new one goes on, we can kind of match where the nut is and the spacing, so that when we depress the brake lights come on at about the same time. It's not pushed in so far that the brakes are actually on, and it's not, you know, back so far that you just barely touch the brake pedal and the brake lights come on. So got that loose. Get the right angle in here. It's unplugged. Unscrew it from the mount. And lucky for me, that looks like that's just right where the brake pedal sits. Alright, there's what you're looking at. That's the button itself. You can hear it's really loud and clattery, if that's even a word. Here's the new one. Quite a bit quieter. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the new one and just try to match like the distances. That looks pretty close. What you need to match is this part to that part. You don't need to worry about what's behind the nut back here. So that's pretty close. I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy in. And just screws in place right where the old one was. And get the thread in there. There we go. See, it's going in now. Push it down until it's flush. I know I'm moving the whole camera. The camera's sitting on the brake pedal. Alright, we'll go right. Back up just a hair. We'll try that. Spin the nut until it's flush with the mount. Tighten it down into place. You don't need a reef on it. There's no excessive loads going on this thing. Then just find that plug again and plug it back in. There she is. Different orientation, so I gotta get this guy in there. Here we go. And now we test it out. And there you have it. Go ahead and share this video if somebody you know needs this information. Until next time, keep kicking up dust. Push shizzle.